Okay, this is a short video explaining what Linux distro is best suited for a beginner. If you're new to the Linux world, I'd highly recommend you install either Linux Kubuntu or Linux Mint. And the reason is they both look and feel like pretty much like Windows. So you'll be able to navigate through the graphical user interface with ease. Also, if you plan on installing Linux only for learning purposes, it's best that you either install it on a virtual machine, on an old computer, or you can buy one of these, a Raspberry Pi. It's a cheap, inexpensive microcomputer that costs only about $30 or something like that. However, if you don't plan to use any additional hardware, you can virtualize Linux either with Microsoft Hyper-V, which is a feature that's built in Windows 10. So you only need to activate it and restart the operating system. Or you can use a third-party virtualization program like Oracle VirtualBox or VMware Player. I'd recommend Hyper-V or VMware Player simply because they're more stable than VirtualBox. In VirtualBox, you can sometimes encounter errors while running a Linux operating system. Before I end this video, I'm gonna show you what you need to do to activate the Hyper-V feature in Windows 10. So you go to the Control Panel, open Programs and Features, turn Windows features on and off. And here you have Hyper-V, containing Hyper-V management tools and Hyper-V platform. Simply check the box, hit OK, let Windows do its thing, and then reboot your operating system. Once you reboot it, you can search for the Hyper-V manager in the Start button. Oh, and one important thing you should know. If you plan on using Hyper-V, you cannot install other virtualization programs like VMware or VirtualBox. This is because a process called the hypervisor service will be performed by Windows and it won't allow other applications to run a similar service. So if in the future, if you plan to use either VMware or VirtualBox, you must first deactivate Hyper-V again from Windows features. I will plan on making a tutorial on how to install an operating system on one of these programs. When I'll do, I'll probably link it in the description of this video so you can check it out and run through the necessary steps. When you're all set and have Linux up and running, you can go ahead and watch my other videos. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.